Ralph, how we love you.
Everyone
Ralph,
say something.
You are very good cicada to us. You showed up 17
Okay,
years
wait every
late.
once in a while.
Don't let your life
I'm sorry I stepped on you.
We know you were just doing your job. Out of all your 17 years alive, this was your day to shine. Ralph, how we love you.
You're such a beautiful cicada.
No, Ralph! She's crying so hard.
I'm sorry, Ralph, but I just thought that huge moth was on my foot and freaked out. I should have been taping you.
Here, Elizabeth. Oh, wait. Here, Ralph, we'll give you some stuff. Oh, wait, that'd be so cool if I could get that special effect. I think the moth is on my leg. And we love you, Ralph. You wiggle there. And we love you.
We watch as you
My
struggle.
wiggly Ralph.
As you die here.
Oh my god.
Bye bye.
He's waving. Oh, he took his last
He's dead. I think he's dead.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
I can't believe he died during his song.
Oh, he's coming back. Wait, this is like in Rent when Mimi comes back. Wait, what's this song? No other roughly there. What if he doesn't live for another song?
Don't let your life
I love you.
We
Oh
love
my god,
you,
he
Ralph.
died right as it said that.
Bye-bye.
He died right as it said, let your life pass you by. He had some good
Do you think
memories.
he's gone yet?
Wait,
Love
the
you.
moth's gonna come
I bet
out.
he's not gone.